Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video, which is a messy house clean with me. So I hope that this can give you tons of cleaning motivation to tackle your mess. And so we're gonna do this together. So grab a drink, grab a coffee, set me up on any device, and let's get cleaning together. All right, everybody, we are starting off in our master bedroom today. So I am first going ahead and making my bed. So if you haven't already, go ahead and make your bed alongside with me, as I feel like it is really just the best start to your day.
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you.
I do try and make my bed every single morning. However, sometimes it doesn't get done until the afternoon, but it is one of those things that I try to do every single day.
You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same.
Now, I'm not really sure what happened, but our master bedroom just kind of seemed to catch a lot of stuff. We had Christmas presents all over in their boxes, and our end tables, as you can see, were just kind of a disaster. So I tried to just clean this up really quickly, just tidied everything up and put it back in their home before going ahead and using my pledge to wipe everything down. I really need to do a master bedroom declutter and organize. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to film that, as it is something that needs to be done. But I know that you guys really enjoy the cleaning motivation I give you, so if you just want me to stick with the cleaning motivation, then that is totally a-okay with me as well.
And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed every day.
So if you're wondering why I'm pledging like literally everything, as you can see, it was so dusty. Like everything was just so dusty. I feel like it has actually been a while since I dust. I'm not gonna lie, dusting is my least favorite thing in the entire world to do. I actually hate dusting more than I hate laundry, which says a lot because I really hate laundry. Let me know in the comments what your least favorite thing is to do. And speaking of laundry, it is time to go ahead and get a load in the washer.
On the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed every day. 24/7.
Now that the laundry is picked up from everywhere in our house, again, we're just kind of throwing that load in. I like to do the laundry and kind of get it going while I tidy up the rest of the house. So while I was in here, I noticed that my basement bathroom was just kind of full of stuff as well. So I went ahead and just tidied that up, and I was going to clean it, but I actually never got to cleaning it today. So we're moving on upstairs to our main bathroom, which is what you're seeing now. And so that's what I'm going ahead and cleaning now using my Tipper River cleaning solution.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart.
Next, we're going ahead and tackling the toilet. I don't know what it is about speed cleaning, you guys, but whenever there's a mess in my house, I just love watching speed cleaning videos, which is why I normally tend to do speed cleaning videos. But if you want to see a more relaxing, cozy, warm cleaning video, let me know and I can definitely try and do that for you guys. Now that the bathroom is all clean, I am just going to wipe the mirror quickly before heading out to our main living area so that I can go ahead and clean that, as wait till you see it, it was a total mess.
When you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart.
All right, you guys, here it is. There is books and toys literally everywhere. The girls were napping when I filmed this, so that's usually when I film a lot of things, is just when they're napping and having their quiet time. So just went ahead and cleaned everything up and put everything back in its home. I just can't stand clutter. I know that, right now this is just a season of my life where there will be toys, in the house and just in our main living space, as we don't have a designated playroom, and that I'm fine with. I just can't handle when they are everywhere all the time. So I went ahead and just cleaned that up really quickly to give me a peace of mind.
Next to you. Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud nine? I would never take our love for granted.
Then it was time to clean the couch. So I like to use this leather cleaning spray. We use it in our vehicle as well on the leather, and it works really, really good. And I actually love the smell of it. Obviously it's probably full of chemicals, but I don't know what other leather cleaning solution that there is out there that is more natural. So this is what I use for now. And if you're wondering, we have that blanket on our couch because our dog usually sits on the couch and we don't want her to wreck the leather. She has already scratched it, so we try really hard to keep the blanket on there. So it was time to wash that for my third load of laundry, and then finishing cleaning and wiping everything down.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number.
So moving on to our front entryway, we had went somewhere this morning, so I just had to put all of our jackets away. When we get home, we usually get home really late, and I'm super rushed to get the girls down for their nap. So we kind of just like take everything off and throw it on the bench, which is obviously what happened here. So I'm just trying to go ahead and quickly tidy that up before moving on to the dining room area.
Moving in the dark, with every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time.
So again, as you can see, my house was a total mess. My husband actually almost started cleaning and I had to yell at him. I was like, no, don't clean, I want to film. And it was really, really funny because he was like, okay. And then near the end of the video here, you'll see he kind of jumps in, and yeah, it's funny. Let me know in the comments if your husband helps you clean around the house. Again, our house was totally trash, so he definitely was like, I can't handle this, and he wanted to help, and I had to tell him no, and he obviously was not too upset about it.
I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body.
So now that the dining room table is all clean, I kind of lost some footage here, so I'm not really sure what happened to it, but that is all clean, and now my robot vacuum is going ahead and doing the vacuuming for me, as I didn't have time to vacuum my house today. And so yeah, we're gonna let that go, and now we're gonna start tackling the dishes.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives.
So obviously we are in the kitchen now. I am again just kind of finishing up the dishes here. That is all that I had to do other than giving the kitchen a really quick wipe down. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it with my cloth here after with the soap and water. I don't do all the dishes by hand. If you are new here, I do have a dishwasher and I do use it for everything except for my kids' dishes. I do wash those by hand.
I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the daytime. You try to make yourself feel better by...
And if you're wondering why I'm wearing gloves, it's because I am allergic to dish soap, and yeah, super fun.
Looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies.
Alright, now that everything is wiped down, it is time to switch the laundry over. So I'm going to go ahead and do that before starting to fold the laundry. So get prepared for some major extreme laundry motivation. Again, I hate doing laundry, but it's one of those things that has to be done.
No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on.
And I do normally do my laundry once a day, but for whatever reason I was kind of slacking, and so I actually had 3 loads of laundry to do and fold today. So let's get to it. So I'm just eating one of those healthy banana muffins that I shared in my last video, which was my Christmas bake with me. So if you want to see that in the recipe, make sure you go check that video out. But I needed just a little pick me up. So I was eating a muffin and one of the cookies, as well as I realized I hadn't really eaten a whole heck of a lot and I was starting to get a little tired. So we need a little pick me up. So that's what I'm eating while I go ahead and fold the laundry.
In the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night.
So here's the thing about folding laundry. I did not know this, but someone had asked me if I ever put my clothes inside out and then put them in the wash so that when they come out, you don't have to do what I'm doing here. Like, I've never heard of that and I still haven't tried it, and I'm curious to know if you do that. Let me know in the comments if you do. It's super strange. Apparently it works, but again, I've never tried it and I don't do it. And if you're wondering, I am watching With Love from Katie on my iPad there to help keep me motivated as well. So if you haven't already, go and check her out. I love watching her and her channel.
I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny you.
So as you can see, the whole family is now up and at it, and when I came back upstairs, my husband had put away all of the laundry and I was like, no!
Could you be the one to kill my sorrows? Kill my sorrows. Maybe one night you can play the hero. Even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me.
Thank you so much for watching today's messy house clean with me here in 2020. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.